Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. Do you ever wonder as a researcher where to find a good research idea for your research proposal writing? And even if you write the research proposal, you need to cross check whether your idea is unique enough to stand out from the rest of the existing ideas. Now, this is a very complicated matter and not many suggestions, not many softwares or applications available out there that can suffice this. I've been getting these questions for last few years, but I am in constant search for a device or a tool that gives me important listing of ideas based on the topic that I am major in, and I can put the name of some 2-3 topics, and based on that topic it can give you unique research idea. Not only it can give me unique research ideas, but also it can give me content gap idea. It can give me the existing background papers, research papers associated with that idea, and how can I formulate a research proposal outline with the help of a single device, a single application every single time with unique ideas. Alright, so those who don't know what Avexana is, I already made a video on this in my channel. I want you to go through that video. Part of this video is already included. I'll put that here just to let you in the same page as I am now with Avexana. But what I want to share with you here is regarding some new cool advancement of Avexana that has been done. And these advancements are really something that we all the researchers are craving for, right? And what are those? That's what we are going to talk about. And basically, what we simply can do with Avexana is that I already stated, to find out a thesis topic or a research proposal. One more thing that was not there earlier was that regarding the research proposal. Remember, I already built the research proposal earlier, and the research proposal was not customizable for the users, whether you are from a master's student or whether you are PhD candidate, okay, or even a more advanced version is required sometimes, which was not clearly presented, which was not clearly provided here. But now in the research proposal part, you can see the type, whether you're a master's or a PhD or any other candidate, and based on that you can move and you can select your topic and you can generate the proposal. I need a topic, you can see this, right? So let me write it: use of daily probiotic foods in Indian diet to increase gut health. Okay, so this is something that I can write. Let's click next and let's hit confirm and submit and start exploring the topic. If you click that, you are going to explore the topic now. So if you click formulate, it's going to start exploring the topic, and you can select whether you are master students. So Avexana is going to give you the research proposal or the thesis writing, whatever you are doing, based on your master's level or PhD level or postdoc level. It's going to understand that and it's going to formulate it like this. Okay, so let's start digging in, because it's going to ask for credits. We have credits left here, 24 credits, so you're going to get it done. And the next is the literature matrix is also there, which will allow users to visualize selected articles in a matrix format, and templates as well. Okay, so you can choose the different kinds of template as APA, AMA, IEEE. Based on your requirement, you can select either of these templates and use these templates to visualize and map all the kinds of literature that are available surrounding your topic, and you can continue your work based on that. Okay, so proposal builder is customizable now. You can use as many articles, you can generate as many articles, add as many articles as you require with one click. Whatever articles, number of articles you require, you're going to need it. And as I mentioned earlier, now the database expanded to 300 million articles, and it's not going to give you just the research proposal, but it's going to give you a research gap score, summary, methodology, and suggestions. So here we are with our topic, and it gives us suggestions: exploring probiotic foods in India for modulating human microbiota profile, investigating impact of daily probiotics on intestinal epithelium, okay, balancing disease, examining benefits of traditional Indian fermented foods, enhancing the gut health, comparative study of loaded active ingredients in common probiotics, And so I think exploring probiotic foods of in India for modulating human microbiota profile, this is something that I'll choose because this is something that fits our understanding. So this is something now either we can refine it, that means you modify it a little bit, fine tune it a little bit, or you can lock it and move on. So let's lock it, 8 credits, and we are going to now work with this particular topic, research topic. So this is how the research topic is given, with just one question: what broad topic that you have, and whether you're from MSc, you're from PhD, postdoc. Based on that, based on your subject, they are going to give you the topic list, and they will give you 5 topic list, as you can see, 5 research topic idea. And now you can extend that idea, those 5 topic ideas you can expand, and you need to lock in order to expand that, or you can refine it. If you want to modify a little bit, you can also do that by simple refinement. So it will take some time now once you lock it, because it's going to generate a lot of data based on that particular topic. It's going to search the whole database, and it's going to give you gap score, summary, methodology, suggestions, all these things. These all updates are there now in Avexana. It's not only just a tool to tell you a research proposal, but it's also going to give you research gap score. You can see your research topic is 16.91% relevant to the articles in our data. So relevancy score is also provided, which is not very much, like 16.91%, approximately 17% relevant, because it's a very straightforward topic. We haven't fine-tuned it. If we fine-tuned it, it could have been a little different, early. So you can see that the score greater than 70% means your topic has a high coverage in existing literature. Okay, but the literature, my topic is less than 30%. That means there is very few literature that is out there that has that is basically dealing with my topic that we are talking about. Okay. So your topic has a low coverage in the existing literature, is highly likely to be a research gap. So yes, my topic has a research gap, and that's what we are going to find out. Relevancy score is going to help you. The score is 16.91, that is less than 30%. Means your topic has a low coverage in the existing literature. That means in the existing literature you don't find much of a exploration of our topic. So that means it's a new topic. It's a relatively unique, fair topic. Not always a unique topic, a good idea, because sometimes there are no proper literature for you to back the data and also to understand what's going on. But still it is 17%, and there's a research gap that is present, so we can work with it. The topic summary is already provided. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Avexana provided the topic summary, probiotics, live micro, so all these things are provided in here. Okay, so now what we can do is basically we have the topic summary and everything. We have the gap score. With this we can start. So with this topic summary, now we can work with it. Okay, we can work with it. Either you can formulate, or you can click refine. It will refine a little bit more. It can change the topic a little bit more, but that's a different idea. Earlier also we have the similar interface, but now the difference, as I mentioned, now it checked over 300 million articles for searching for this research gap, which is very important, very unique number to find out. And obviously the proposal builder will be customized, like as I mentioned that this is for MSc level, so it gave me the data set for the MSc level. If I mentioned PhD level, it provide it as per the PhD level. Okay, so that is something that we have here. Okay, and the literature matrix part that I mentioned, that where we can see all the literature in the matrix, or the articles that you select in the matrix format, that is upcoming a feature in Avexana. It's not launched yet, but it's an upcoming feature where you can visualize all the articles in the matrix format, and also all the different kinds of templates like APA, IEEE, AMA, all this you can get. Okay, so research reading materials. If you click the research reading materials, you are going to find out the reading materials for the topic that you selected. For the topic that we selected here, this is his topic: exploring probiotic foods in India for modulating human microbiota profile. And if you click research reading materials, you'll find all the reading materials, and if you click them, it's going to open up in a PDF format. It's not likely that it's going to charge for any extra money. No, nothing like that. It is going to open up. That's the beauty of Avexana here. You can see that I think there are 10 resources are provided here. The most relevant resources are curated for you, and not only the relevant resources, but the resources which are also like modern, like for example 2023, so it's not like very old, new. You can also load 10 more, so you can generate it like 10 more. You can continue like this. The more you require, you can go with it. Like 30 is unlocked here, you can go 10 more, 40 unlocked, like that. Okay, 50 unlocked. So all right, so now I'm going to tell you the another very important USP of Avexana here, and the new features which is being updated is regarding the not only just give you a research topic name and topic summary, but it's also going to give you a build the thesis proposal part here. Okay, and you can click edit a proposal, and once you click edit a proposal, you have the research topic's name, you have the topic summary, everything is written, but it will ask you some questions. In 8 consecutive steps, they are going to ask you some questions, and these are all the questions that we have. Actually, I put this the question list in here, this many question, so I'll put it there in the description as well, so that you can you don't need to mug up, you just see the questions and you'll be ready to get the answers for this question first. Once you have the questions answer ready in your hand, you can just simply put it in order to get the answer. So I'll put in the question first, right, then so I have my questions ready. There are total 19 questions that you need to put. You may skip a question, but I will not recommend you to skip any question. There are 19 questions and I have answers to all my questions related to my topic. So just a few words regarding the question. So what is the research topics, a broader context, I'll just copy them and I'm going to paste them here because it will save time. Otherwise it will take consume a lot of time. That's why I have the questions ready, handy, and answers also handy for all of you. Just put it there. The question number 3, I will put the question number 3 here. Okay, done. Let's click next. Then we have another question number 4 here, question number 5. So this one, number 5. I'll click next. What key theories? So again, question number 6. Just copy paste them. First you need to make the questions ready, and then you need to simply copy them and paste them, because you know, the more you tell Avexana about what you want to achieve, the better result you're going to get. You don't need to tweak them much later on. But if you don't tell Avexana what to do, I mean, basically this tool is doing everything for you, right? And you are simply harvesting the power of the networking, harvesting the power of 300 million articles worldwide to put the data here and to gather the result out of it. So you know, it was a tedious job, humongous job to do it manually, but with Avexana you can reach it like a breeze. You can cross it like a breeze. I am putting everything there, so it will take just few minutes, like 30 minutes to an hour for you to just get ready with the answers of the questions. But once you are ready, man, it will be very, very fast because it's going to do all the formatting for you as well. So we are almost close. We had a question number 16, 17, 18, so 19, 16, total 19 questions actually. I'm putting it there. And the last 2 questions, get in here, question number 18 and 19. So 18, and we have question number 19, only this till this part. That's it. We'll put it everything and build my proposal. Click build my proposal, and now it will save your proposal. The proposal is saved. That's it. That's how easy it is. And now you can click download now to download your proposal. Yeah, your proposal is downloaded. Here it is. This is the moment of truth. This is your proposal formatted. You can see the abstract at the beginning. In the next page, you have introduction, background, and context is already written by Avexana based on your question answer sessions. Research questions and objectives are mentioned. Literature review of relevant literature is mentioned. Methodology, research design, and data source is mentioned. Data collection and analysis also mentioned. And expected results, significance, and outcomes. implications and contributions also mentioned, and finally the references that we put, the 50 references that we gathered are also mentioned. So basically it wrote down a research proposal for you. You can see how many pages are out there. Here you can see 11 pages. 11 pages of hardcore research proposal is written by a software tool, Avexana, and this is a pure beauty. And their tweaking is they're modifying it, and really love this product. It's not likely that I'm just promoting for nothing. It's not like that. It's really good the way they have tuned it to be, because I've made a video earlier. You can check that video out, but this time I check it with all the small tune-ups that were required are done, and this is really good to go. This is a proposal of my choice, and now you can modify it. You have something to work on, right? You have a template to work on and continue this work. Okay, so all right everyone, so one more feature that I want you to understand, and which is really a game-changing feature, it is regarding this, the editing of the research proposal and everything. So you come here and you just say edit the proposal. I'm going to tell you exactly what we can do here. You can see that there is two ways to build a research proposal, a thesis proposal also. One is to get the answer to the questions. Remember, I already told you about the question, the list of the question. Already have this Word file for you. I already pasted these questions in the description section. You can find it from there. You need to find the answer to this question. So it is time consuming to get answer to all these questions. It's approximately 19 questions are out there. So instead of doing it, what you can do is that you may not write them properly. Instead, you just write a little bit of it, maybe 1 or 2 lines of it, and then so let's put it in here and click get a recommendation, and you'll get a recommendation on that particular topic. So that get a recommendation tab is going to help you to frame the question properly, to frame the answer of a question properly. Maybe the question is straightforward, you have 1 or 2 lines written, or a simple thought process, but it will give you a complete recommendation based on it. Okay, you can see the recommendation is provided. Similarly, for the question number 2, I can get back to my answer that I have written, and my answer may be to the point, may not be, but this get a recommendation tab is going to help us provide much better clarity on the answer that we are looking for the particular question. So you see the recommendation is provided. See, your response highlights the significance of the study in terms of its potential contribution to knowledge. So it comments on what do we think about every single question that is out there, and this get a recommendation will definitely help you in order to understand. You can do the same thing for all the questions. You can do the same thing. You can just copy paste the answer if you have them ready before, or else you can just type in 1 or 2 lines. Then it's going to give you a better explanation to the answer that you are looking for in a get a recommendation tab. So again, you can see a recommendation tab is provided. So you can compare this recommendation, and based on this recommendation, you can tune your answers to fit the proposition. Okay, so that is really a very important feature of this tool. Now here you can analyze your article using the literature matrix feature. Inside the literature matrix, you need to upload your article PDF, and let's see, we are uploading our PDF. Once the PDF is uploaded, then it will analyze, it will process, give us some time, and it will give you the data regarding the literature matrix, and you can clearly see. Okay, so that is regarding Avexana. And I believe you can not only build your research proposal, but also you have everything related to topic, abstract preferences, over 300 million research articles. Okay, regarding Avexana, to find out research topic, to find out thesis topic, and not only to find out a thesis topic, but also to formulate the thesis topic guidelines and how to write a thesis topic in less than 10 minutes. This is what we got. Okay, but remember, my information section is very important, even most important. This is the crucial part. Without this, you cannot even continue. Then you'll get the thesis topic idea, try to find out a suitable score based on your requirement, and the research and reading materials will also be provided. You can always go and read them, and to build the methodology and experiment and results part. So that's all about Avexana, the best tool to write your research topic, write your thesis topic, find your thesis topic and write your thesis topic. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye. Okay. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to get more videos like that in future. And I'll put the link of this Avexana tool in the description. We'll also give you the questionnaires also in the description so that you get to know about it. All right, bye.